We're going to be installing Xterra sliders today. We do also sell two different variants, one with a body lift, because those are pretty popular, the 2-inch body lift, and one without. Today we're going to be installing them without. The very first thing you want to do once you unwrap your product is get it set up next to the vehicle. We're on a lift today just to be able to show you what's going on, but this is honestly better done on the ground. It's a little bit easier when you can use a jack, when you can use some like wood blocks, whatever it takes to get it level. But if you come on over here, the first thing that you're going to want to do is mark right on the back mount where you want to drill. You do have to drill one hole in order to get these mounted. It's going to be this hole. Oh, I'm sorry. This hole right here. This hole right here. That's going to be the one you want to drill. Drill it out to about 5/8 and you should be just fine. You're going to get two of these, a left and a right. You want the slant to be going towards the front of the vehicle. And all you need to do is put maybe just a little bit of a kick in there, not a whole lot, just enough to bend it a little bit. Because what you'll end up doing is sticking it inside the frame, just through this little slot, right up towards this little hole you just drilled. You'll have to do that as soon as you've actually got the slider up there. That'll be one of the bolts that you stick in first. But it's good to know that you can do just a little bend in there to get it to sit flush against the frame. So once you got everything in position, you're ready to go, make sure you take these off. Just this cap here, the front ones should be okay. Once we get this removed, we can put everything up into place. So we'll take one of the long bolts and then a lock washer and a nut. And we're just going to run it straight through, all the way through the frame. Should pop right out the backside. Just like that. This huge backer plate is really important. You've got a pretty colossal hole on the backside. So once you get your bolt ran through, before you end up attaching any of your hardware, we're just going to make sure we've got this on there. Should thread right on over. Then same thing, just both your washers and your nut. Cool. And like before, we're just going to leave almost all of this pretty loose. We'll get all the rest of our bolts in, cinch everything up, and you should be good to go. This is one of the shorter 1/2-inch ones. Goes right up through the bottom. Washer, lock washer, nut. And then once again, we're going to use this little nut on a stick here, come up through the frame and use a shorter 1/2-inch with a washer on it. All right. Now we've got just about everything threaded, just got to cinch everything down. All right, you're good to go on the driver's side. The passenger side is exactly the same. Drill your hole, throw some bolts through, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Remember to watch other videos and visit us online at heftyfab.com or come to the shop in Colorado Springs. We'll be happy to see you.